MagMirror. We know the front camera on your phone is nowhere near as good as the back camera. Science proves that, and that's a fact. But what you can do now is harness the back camera for vlogging the way it should be. Yes, you can do that with a MagMirror. This transforms your smartphone into a vlogging studio that gives you real-time monitoring on the back of your phone and LED lighting. There's no need for extra gear, and it has its own 4-hour battery to keep your phone going on that adventure that you just have to vlog about. The LED light goes from white, bright, warm to party. You're ready all the time. HACK05 Wireless Shortcut Remote. Hey creators, we know you're busy and you have a ton of things you need to do, and getting bogged down with a full-size keyboard to jab at buttons for just a few shortcut keys is getting in your way. So let's fix that with the HACK05 Wireless Shortcut Remote. This works for both left-handed and right-handed folks, and it supports 10 shortcut buttons and has a dial switch and supports Bluetooth, and it's with a wired connection as well, in case. And it has a long battery life of up to 300 hours. It even has a scissor switch and can handle up to 40 shortcuts, and it's designed to be held and used by a single hand, keeping the other free to create. Govee Strip Light 2 Pro. Govee lighting is back to transform your space into the ultimate hangout. This will change your TV watching experience and transform it into a full-fledged cinema experience. Govee strip lights connect to all the Govee products via DreamView, which lets you sync your whole home, and the Govee strip lights have over 100 presets ready to go and out of the box, and they're completely customizable and cuttable. Every meter has 10 segments, and you can hit from 2,700 to 6,500 Kelvin. It has real white lights. The lamp beads are designed for exquisite color blending, and they have a 16-bit color precision chip for accurate performance. It can be controlled from your smart home devices, and they can really transform any space. Roam. We've got smart tags, and these ones aren't separated into iOS and Android camps. No, these are cross-functional devices that let you track everything from keys to wallets, cars, and bags, and the batteries are totally replaceable, so they can be used in travel luggage. This is Roam, and it comes in a variety of colors, and they're really small. You can customize it to send you left behind notifications, and you can find it with the loud sound it emits if you ever need it. It comes with a premium function as well and needs no extra accessories to use, one cord, and you're ready to go. This gives you a precise 3 meter squared tracking, so you really know where the tag is. HubPack X. Don't worry about creeps trying to steal your bag with the latest in anti-theft cut-resistant travel bags from HubPack, and we're showcasing the HubPack X. This is a well-designed bag that has ample room for all your stuff. The HubPack X has an outstanding security system that even has a built-in charging station. You can wear it as a backpack or carry it like luggage. The TSA lock ensures no buster can open your bag except you, and it comes well equipped with quick access pockets and main storage compartments. HubPack X has 2 different compartments, one for living storage and the other for electronic storage. It expands to over 3.7 liters, and it's made of waterproof fabric. ROKR Marble Run Model Building Kit. Channeling all those with inner Rube Goldberg syndrome that just want to build wacky, kooky machines, well, check this out. This is the ROKR Marble Run Model Building Kit. This is a cyberpunk-inspired model that even has a USB-C port to let you design it with electric motors, and it doubles as an awesomely fun lighting display. It doesn't need a phone, so you can build while reducing screen time. You can build it in about 4 hours, and it doubles as a really sweet home decor. VLTROX 12-watt RGB camera light. For all those who want to conduct photo shoots but need true RGB light to set up their subject's potential, well then I guess this is right in your valley. The VLTROX 12-watt RGB camera light is a portable mini camera light that provides over 2,500 to 8,500 Kelvin lighting, and it's super portable. It has a 22-watt-hour battery and lasts a tremendous 2 hours of non-stop lighting, and it's small enough to fit in the pocket. You can also continuously use it with its USB-C input, and if you find you've got more battery left over after your shoot, well, guess what? It doubles as a power bank. If you're into textured portraits, then you're in luck because the silicone diffuser does just that, giving you depth and character. HOTO Electric Spin Scrubber. Yes, you can now clean all your bathroom wet spots from showers to bathtubs with the help of everyone's favorite energy, electricity. This is a full-body waterproof cleaning tool with a long handle and provides over 6 different shower heads. What you really get is a powerful 300 RPM, 2.5 Newton-meter torque best of a cleaning brush that gives you great speed without damaging bathroom surfaces. It's waterproof with IPX7 standards, and it can be immersed in sinks, and a single charge gives you 110 minutes of continuous use. OLIGHT Oclip Pro. Tiny but mighty is this clip-on light that gives you a floodlight with 500 lumens or a 120-meter range spotlight, and it even comes with a red light suiting everyone's needs. It weighs less than 53 grams, and it's an everyday carry as it's only 2¼ inches tall. You can attach the OLIGHT Oclip Pro to any magnetic base, or use the built-in clip on your lanyard, or simply hang it. It's long-lasting, having been tested with over 1,000 open and closed trials. Oh no, you dropped it in a puddle? No big deal, it's IPX6 waterproof and it charges easily with USB-C. MP230 Tabletop Bluetooth Speaker. Vintage-looking Bluetooth speakers, that's exactly what we're showing you. The Edifier MP230 portable Bluetooth speaker is a perfect speaker for outdoor travel that gives you 10 hours of playtime and supports USB-based sound cards and even allows microSD cards into the mix. It has a 2,600 mAh inbuilt battery and only takes 2 hours to full charge, and it has a 10-watt plus 10-watt 48mm full range driver, so you really get great audio out of this, and it's so easy to operate, the buttons feel like manual piano-like keys. This is inspired by the classic 1950s and 1960s radio designs. Cololight MIX ACID. You've seen those DIY lighting systems that cost a pretty penny and constantly need more and more add-ons to make them pop. Yep, you know them. Well, stepping up to the LED lighting game is our friends at Cololight. These are the MIX ACID lights that provide you with a ton of different colors, and they won't break the bank at all. You can create ambient lighting, gaming lights, and they're all smart home controlled. You get true creative freedom where you can control every single bead of light with over 16 million RGB color combinations. You really can hone in on what you want. You can control each smart light individually or together depending on how you want to set it up, and it also syncs with your music to give you the right mood. MUZEN Wild Go. A very small Bluetooth speaker, that's what this is. The MUZEN Wild Go, a portable Bluetooth speaker that's IPX5 waterproof and so loud, but yet so small. We're talking about 8 hours of battery life on a single charge and a powerful but tiny 36mm speaker for extra crisp audio. You can put it on a lanyard, it's that small, and you have great feeling knobs to control and switch tracks. Designed with an anti-slip rubber coating that makes the MUZEN Wild Go both drop resistant and non-slip. Essential 2nd Gen. Arlo are putting out their latest 2nd generation 2K outdoor security camera that gives you 130 degrees of view and two-way audio. The good news is that this is battery operated, no hard wiring necessary. Did I mention the color night vision and the included security plans? And there's even an integrated spotlight that helps illuminate any night movement, ensuring that you're capturing all the necessary details? Don't worry about the elements, this is designed to withstand rain and snow, and the battery is designed to last months, and if there is anything triggering, the siren can be operated to ward off bad guys.